Welcome, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at important topic on project management. 10 project management emerging trends in 2023. Very important for all the project managers or the project engineers who want to accelerate their career into project management. Please watch this video till the end because there are important stuffs. And before I proceed, I request you to please subscribe my channel and spread it to your friends and community. Let's start this video. With the advent of new technologies and management paradigms, project management continue to undergo significant evolution, significant changes. Project management organizations have to keep the pace with the changes the world is making to avoid the risk of failure in the project and risk of the failure as an organization. Very important with the kind of growth we are expecting, the kind of change, the kind of speed the changes are happening. World has faced the lockdown in 2020. Entire world was under lockdown. There was a moment of pause, and these pause moments, these disruptions have shaped new project management trends in 2023. And this is what we are going to look at in the further. Change is constant, and those who look at the past and only look at the present will definitely miss the future. That's what John F. Kennedy has said in his one of the speech. Things which are moving across, and the first trend which will impact the project management is artificial intelligence. Project Management Institute notes that 81% of professionals say that AI is impacting their organizations. Very important study, and this number is going to increase in future. So first important trend which will impact the project management is artificial intelligence, and people can take a lot of benefit out of this for managing the projects effectively. What artificial intelligence can help is by automating those activities which are non-productive activities and make it on autopilot so that project managers, the business, they focus on projects, they focus on business, and they can add value to those areas where that area needs their attention. So this is one important aspect. When they want to achieve strategic goals, they have to be involved there rather than getting consumed into daily non-productive tasks. So not productive, less important tasks. So this is what artificial intelligence is going to do. So adoption of artificial intelligence on a larger scale by companies to ensure successful project completion in a way such as generating performance insights. It will give you a lot of insights, supporting the decision making by getting a lot of data, making correct estimate and prediction. You can use AI properly estimate, also give the forecast, the correct forecast and the correct estimates. Optimization of resources, you can find a lot of people doing the same non-productive tasks. You can optimize that resources. Data visualization, you can get data at your fingertips. And the most important part which we have seen in COVID is performing risk analysis. This can be done by artificial intelligence. This can help to complete the project successfully for many organizations. The second important aspect or trend is advanced resource and project management software. A 2020 report from Wellington notes that 54% of organizations lack access to real-time data, and they take around 24 hours to get or collect the data. This is the data. This is the major issue when we need real-time data, and when we go in a traditional way, it takes a lot of time to get the data. The, the advancement of resource and project management softwares can combine this, and that can give a data real-time. It will help the project managers to manage their resources well, to get the resources on time, release the resources on time. This will bring a lot of positive change in project management. Here are some of the ways how the right software can make massive impact. The first important thing is leveraging historical project plan for future. So we have a lot of data of past projects that can help you to leverage for your future projects. View resource availability and simplify allocation. We will be able to view rather than depend on somebody else to see which resources are available, which is not available. We can do that online, and then we can simplify the allocation. We can use that resources effectively. track a time spent by that resource on a project through AI. We can always have the tracking of that particular resource who is working on this project. If he's working on 4 projects, that resource allocation can be tracked properly. As I said, allocation of resources, allocation of budgets, that you can be on top of financials of the project because you have the data. Capture all expenses of projects in real time. To get data, it takes time, but when we have real time data, you can get everything related to finance, related to expenses on the time. Customization of dashboard for informed decision. You can create your own dashboard so that that will help to take the informed decision rather than decision based on intuition or without any data. In current scenario, informed decision by having a data is the right way to go ahead. Keeping all stakeholders and team members informed about project status, progresses, and changes made in the real time. So everybody is on the same page. They're aware of real time what is happening on the progress, what is happening on the tracking, what is happening on the changes on the project, so that they are aware. Nobody can say they are not aware. So this is the help which this integration of advanced resource and project management software can do. Third trend which we can see is rise in remote working, particularly the software projects where because of what we have seen in COVID, the remote working is on the rise and in recent year, and this is going to increase, and it has been increasing since last couple of years. So cloud-based project management software can play a crucial role here because people are working remotely. They need to be tracked. Their productivity needs to be tracked. Their results needs to be tracked so that the integration happens smoothly. Remote working is going to go on higher and higher day by day. How do we use those resources effectively and seamlessly is what going to be the new trend in this aspect. The next or the fourth trend is the demand for emotionally intelligent leaders. To lead projects, I always say the art side of the project management is extremely critical to manage resources, human resources effectively. Yeah, people must be understood first. Their characters, their behaviors, their strong points and weaknesses must be understood by the leaders. And that's why the emotional intelligence is going to play a huge role. Ability to connect with the people, ability to put our shoes into their shoes, empathize is going to be an important aspect when it comes to productivity because human resource is difficult to manage, and with the rise of remote working, it is going to be extremely difficult. So some of the leaders have started a 5 minutes quick meeting in the morning just to say hi, hello, and get their side of stories. Nothing related to project, but something which actually becomes a trigger, a point where you can start the day well, and then people can go on their areas to work. So demand for emotional intelligent leaders will go up. That's the trend is increasing focus on data analytics and data driven project management. Gone are those days where we used to take decision by intuition or with a little bit of past experience. Today, the world is of data. The data has become an oil, and data analytics getting the crux of what it is on the project is very important. This can help in getting a lot of scope creep which goes unnoticed. How to measure the progress on the project? This can help. AI powered analytics provide a complete picture of the entire organization on all projects. So if you know project management organization and if you have multiple projects running, AI can help you to get that data, real time data, and you are or you will be on top of the things on any project. Sixth, again related to art side of project management, the trend will increase emphasis on soft skills. Developing this soft skill is going to help project managers to deliver more value to their organization. Project manager need to focus on soft skills with respect to conflict resolution, stakeholder engagement, negotiation, mentoring, training, decision making, and team building. These soft skills will be more important with the rise of remote working and even with the hybrid working where you need to be as a leader using right words, keeping the team together, because keeping the team together is one of the success formula on any project success, right? So this is the sixth. The seventh trend is projects and organizational strategy coming together. Earlier days projects manager only looked at taking care of that project, delivering the project and moving on. Now project managers have to work little broader. They have to play a strategical role in organization strategy. So this means that there are multiple projects. If the one project is doing well, the others have to also follow in the same line. So the project management organization, when we talk about any program, when we talk about overall strategic goals, one project may not help to deliver that. So it is very important that project managers have to go beyond from the project to organizational strategy and make sure that they contribute to help achieving strategic goals of an organization. This is an important trend which will happen. Project managers, cloud first approach becoming the standard. The demand for cloud computing solution is increasing. Organizations are shifting to cloud to keep up the changes how they operate. To increase their operation, organizations are looking for cost-effective measures that do not sacrifice functionality or performance. That makes cloud computing the best solution. So cloud computing is going to be the way forward. This is going to be the first approach, and this is going to be the standard, the hygiene of any project management in coming years. Growing attention to mental health, keeping employee motivated, productive, is very important. And when it comes to stress, any project goes through multiple stress points. So it's very important to make sure that we give importance to mental health of people so that we can use the resources effectively. So this is another important aspect. With the rise of again remote working, it is going to be a challenge. So this is the ninth trend which we will see in 2000. 10th trend is going to be on focus on change management. It is vital to avoid scope creeps, and this is an important aspect. This is anyway an important aspect in project management, because if the change management is poor, projects are not likely to get succeeded. So strength and the important trend which you see in 2023 is a lot of focus on the change management processes, change management procedures, to avoid any scope creep coming up on the project. So these are the 10 important trends you will see in 2023. Hope you like the video. If you have any comments, please put it in the comment box. Like my video, subscribe my channel. There's one more announcement before I close. I want to make. There are important courses available on Class Plus on project management. Some of them are there in front of you. The project management importance, simplifying the project management principles, the earned value management. The links of these courses are in the description box, available at very, very less investment. The risk management on HVAC projects, the leadership in project management. These are important courses available at very, very low investment. The links are in the description box. I request you to take benefit of this. Thank you very much for patient listening. Please subscribe my channel. Please follow on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.